Video log day 3. We just finished making it past the river. Now we're just got to the outer perimeter of the Code Red compound. We found yet more bodies and limbs. We have yet to find a solid, complete body, just arms and legs. During the day, there's little to no activity. That's why we're moving mostly at day. At night, there's just so much movement, and we don't know what's going on out there. We've been hiding in tunnels, anywhere else we can find. We're about to head to the D9 labs. That's going to be our first spot to investigate. We should be there in approximately a few hours. Let's hope we find out what's going on down there. Alright, let's get ready to move.